the wave.
What's up, Rocco? What we doing, bro? What we doing, bro?
About to heat up the boat, dog.
What you mean heat up what boat?
The crank, underdrive pulley crank boat, dog.
Oh, shit.
You see, a lot of people don't know this. They trying to take it out with only the impactor, but you got to heat it up.
Oh, that's right. What we heating it up for, bro?
A little baby upgrade that we have sitting right there in the tailgate.
Yep, so we already got a few stuff in the works. We started this video late. I will just leave it at that because I don't want to burn the setup. So we gonna loosen that bad boy up right now. We'll keep you guys updated right now. We'll give you guys a video once the bolt comes off or once we're gonna loosen it up. Let me find the socket. So we got enough heating. Now it's time to pull that bad boy out. Wash your fingers, son. There it is.
That's it?
That's it.
And guys, don't reach for it because we heated that shit up, so it's hot as fuck right now. So don't go in there and try to get it with your hand. It's hot. And it's that easy, guys. A lot of people struggle with it. Just heat it up.
Yeah,
That's all I gotta do.
Reason why I told him watch his fingers, because sometimes when you're holding the impact gun from the back right here, like this, you guys can see this. See, the room is real limited. So your finger gets caught up on the radiator. That shit hurts. So it'll cut your finger. So now we just got to take out that pulley, and then the new one will be going on. Those bolts are just a one-time use though, so we have a new one for it. We have a new one for it. The pulley's about to come off. We're starting it. Oh shit. I think I see it coming already.
I thought it kicked off right now.
Oh yeah, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone.
It's coming up.
Yep, it's coming. It's coming, boys. Any second. Any second. Here it comes. That's it. It's out. Just like that, boys.
Got it.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, old pulley.
Sheesh. All right, let's see if there's a difference, man. That's that. 10% difference.
So this gonna stay the same size as this because this runs the AC. This one's the difference though. What you said it was? 10%? Hell yeah. We almost there. We almost there. We just gotta line up this pivot with
The keyway.
that pivot right there, that keyway. And that's it. That will be it. So putting it on, we're just making sure that he lined up the pivot.
Keyway. It's on
The
point.
keyway, there we go.
There you go. It's perfect.
Right on point. That's the way we check with the camera.
Might as well have technology. Might as well use it. Look.
So there's a
Perfect.
keyway. Right on. So now, just gotta install it. We got an installer somewhere around here. We got a whole mess. This is it right here. This is the one that you guys are gonna need. This one right here makes it light work. It's gonna be this one right here. This nut, you scoot that nut all the way in to where it hits the pulley, and then this one right here, I believe it's like a 10, You just wrench it in, and it's like butter. So we'll give you guys a video right now when he gets started on it. But I think meanwhile we're gonna eat some crazy chicken, some pollo loco. You feel me? With the brewski. Woo! We moving. So puller's installed. Look how easy this is. One hand, baby. Okay. So what I like to do is I take it back out. Take it all out again. And then just scoot the nut that's applying the pressure on this pulley, on the balancer itself. Scoot it back more inside this right here. Good. The only reason why I do that is because I like the puller or the installer to get enough thread inside where it won't strip. So it's in, guys. I stopped recording because I didn't think you guys wanted to see the whole process of it just getting driven in. So it's in already. This is a tool. This is the one that applies the pressure to the balancer itself, and then you just turn it from this end right here, and that's it. Smooth like butter. Bolt's already in, so he's gonna just give it a little zap with a Milwaukee right there.
A little ugga should be fine. We use setting 3 all the time. So I mean, it's not coming off. We use it to take it off. I'm pretty sure this is how we tie it. We give a few uggas, and then we'll be all right. Ready, dog? Wait, is it to put it or to? There you go.
That's it. That's all she wrote.
It looks good.
That's all she wrote. That shit ain't not coming off. And keep in mind, guys, this spins clockwise. So this is not gonna come. It's not gonna come loose. It's spinning clockwise. So we'll give the video right now.
Not gonna come loose.
Spinning clockwise. That looks right at home. What you think?
I think it's good.
Now for the fun part, putting the AC belt. It's a pain in the fucking ass.
We can drive with no AC belt, fucking.
Yeah, I guess so. It's just robbing horsepower. No, streetcar, bro. Streetcar.